Hi guys, hope you had a peaceful Christmas time. Today I'm thinking to do a saffron chicken roasted in oven with obviously rice. I'm going to show you step by step how you make rice. First you cook the rice and then wash off the ingredients, salt, and you may have seen before this is a fine chopped vegetables, turmeric, paprika, sweet paprika and chili, and here is ginger. Here I've got almonds and pistachio crushed. Here I've got barberries, but I run out of barberries and replacing by currants. Got mushroom, onion, garlic, egg, yogurt, and I've got chicken thigh fillet and some turkey fillet. I start chopping the onion, it's very thin slices. Here I'm going to mix put some saffron with egg yolk and my spices. I'm going to put my spices in. Adding my yogurt.